Imagine a world without color, without the vibrant scribbles of childhood or the quiet joy of coloring away worries. Crayons bring color to life, and in this video, we're diving into the wildly colorful process of how they're made. When crayon production began in the 1900s, one name won out: Crayola. Founded in 1903, they've made over 3 billion crayons a year for nearly 120 years. That's about 8 million crayons every single day. So how did they turn wax and pigment into those iconic rainbow sticks? Crayons start with paraffin wax, arriving as a hot liquid kept at 57 degrees Celsius to stay melt-ready. The other key ingredient is pigment, supplied as fine dry powders. Specialized suppliers follow strict formulas, grinding them into vivid powders for brilliant, consistent color. Paraffin is heated in 82 degrees Celsius boilers until liquid, then moved to enormous silos. In mixing kettles, the wax is blended with clay for strength, a polymer to prevent cracking, and stearic acid for a smooth rub-off. Finally, pigments are added and stirred. The colored wax is pumped into a rotary molding machine. Each mold fills in a fraction of a second, then a curtain of cool water solidifies the crayons in about 60 seconds. Excess wax is skimmed and recycled. A single rotary machine can turn out roughly 2,700 crayons per cycle, and with multiple lines running, a factory can produce around 30,000 crayons every hour. After molding, automated cameras check for cracks, bubbles, or chips. Anything off-spec is remelted. The good crayons glide through a high-speed applicator that wraps the label in seconds, while quality checks confirm color and hardness. Automated counters pack sets into boxes with safety information, then they're palletized and shipped worldwide. Ever wonder why a red crayon looks red? It's all about pigment. When light strikes a pigment particle, it absorbs certain wavelengths and reflects others. The reflected light is what we see as color. Chemists fine-tune the pigment chemistry and particle size to achieve the exact hue and vibrancy. Modern crayon factories rely heavily on automation. Robotic arms transfer hot crayons, reducing breakage and increasing speed. Sensors monitor temperature and pressure in real time, feeding data to a control system that can tweak the process on the fly, preventing entire batches from being ruined if a deviation is detected. Crayon manufacturing has become greener. Scrap wax from molding is collected and reheated, virtually eliminating waste, while high-efficiency filters capture pigment dust. Many plants now use renewable energy like solar and biogas, and the cardboard packaging is sourced from recycled material, with finished boxes being 100% recyclable. Did you know the original 1903 Crayola box had just 8 colors? Today, the line includes over 120 shades. In 2015, a crayon even went to space. NASA used a special wax crayon on the International Space Station because it works in zero gravity. And if you stacked a year's worth of crayons end to end, they'd stretch 2.5 million miles. If you enjoyed this peek behind the scenes, hit the like button, share with a fellow coloring fan, and subscribe for more How It's Made stories. Got a product you want us to explore? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. Thanks for watching, and keep your world bright. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Your input matters. Share your ideas for our next video in the comments, and we'll recognize your contribution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more, click the next video right here.